and they do it in the way we imagine it should be done. First, they do the equipment, what we've been looking for, and they do it in the way we imagine it should be done. The other thing is that these are very nice people, and they are very flexible, and they agree to adjust to our needs. The communication was nice. They try to catch up very well what we want, and it looks like they did a nice job, and on time. The interesting point that this application should be very flexible. It should be able to do the standard pallets, EPAL pallets, and all other stuff. It should be, how to say, a universal machine.